All the reasons why you should get multiple income funnel with the 5 income streams. So be sure to watch the video all the way to the end so you get all the reasons why. So let me show you the reasons why now. First of all, it starts there. If you go in here, you see all the links you get. Basically, each link is attached to a capture page. They call them links, but there's lots of capture pages in here. You can use one or as many as you want. I use more than one depending where I'm sending them. And then if you go back in there again and you check for your training, all the training that's included with this system. First of all, you get your weekly training, then you get your marketing system training, which is really something. I mean, look at all the training you help you improve your marketing. So it's definitely worthwhile watching this. And I mean, you don't have to do this all at once. You can do 1 or 2 a day, and then whenever you have time, come back and do some more. Then you go back into extra training, but we're going to do some more here. You get this training. You get the 7-step training. This is the training you should do before you get started. First of all, it says lesson 1, which means work on your personality. Then you have lesson 2 that shows you where and how to get traffic. Lesson 3 shows you how to do your follow-up. Lesson 4 shows you how to do your YouTube ads. Lesson 5 shows you how to do Facebook ads. And lesson 6 shows you how to block some time to do this. You don't have to block much time, but you do need some because it will not work all by itself. Then you have lesson and got some more bonuses in there. Once you get in there, you can check them out. And you exit the training. And you go back and then if you click on there, it shows you all your teams. And you go in here and it shows you all the leads you get once you start advertising, and you get an email with each lead. So be sure and follow up. The company follows up too, but if they want to work with you, they want to hear from you. So be sure to follow up. If you don't, they probably aren't going to join. Then you go and that shows you everybody's on the leaderboard. Then you got resources. You go into this, so all the resources you get with it. First of all, you go here and you see the email swipes. This is basically the follow-up emails you can use to follow up with them. But you can use these or you can use your own. But like I say, you should definitely follow up. Then you go back in here again. And then if you go in there, it shows you all the businesses you got. And then I got another bonus one there. So that pretty well tells you everything you get. So now, oh yeah, there's some more here. Look at all the banners you get if you want to do some advertising. You can use all these banners, one or more, whatever you want for your advertising, which is a great feature. Then you go back in there again, and you can see the social images that you can use to do your social advertising. So it's got a lot of things to help you out here. And then you got Facebook posts. And then, like I say, the bonus income, that pretty well covers everything you get. Now, let me tell you the costs of all this stuff. First of all, you go in here, start here, and I'll put a link under the video that you can see Matt do this presentation explaining this opportunity, and with that same link, you can join. So, and then also, right now, they have a special on. Usually it's $97. Right now, they have it on for $49. So that's quite a deal. And they also have a yearly plan. If you want to do that, it's another $350. Oh, I forgot to tell you. And if you get somebody in on the $49, you make a $20 commission. If you get somebody in on this one, you make a $200 commission. So that's the route I took, because you don't have to worry about your paying us for a whole year, and you do make more commissions. So that's the one I decided. Then you got step 2 and step 3. These are places where you can put your own opportunities in. But if you don't have any, you can take a look at the ones I got. They're both great opportunities, and they're each under $10 a month. Then you got step 4, which is your back office and also traffic authority, where you can get great leads. They've been in business for over 10 years, so you get good leads there. And oh, I forgot to tell you, and marketing has been in business for over 4 years, so they're a great, all these are legit opportunities here. So let's see. Oh, and then I was going to tell you about my bonus. This is another way I get leads. I go in here for $1 a day. I get 100 leads. So at the end of the month, I have 3,000 leads. And if you get somebody in under that, you get another 100 leads a day. So that you'd have 6,000 leads by the end of the month. And that's all included for your $1 a day. And it also includes sending out emails to them every day. So that is a heck of a deal. So once you're in, you make sure you take a serious look at that, because that you can't beat a deal like that. Okay, I think I pretty well covered. And I'm also going to put my information under there, so you can contact me if you got some more questions, so I can answer them for you. And I hope you got enough information by watching this video to see that is something that you should have. So I hope you join once you watch that video. So I think that, I'm going to tell you, we got great weather here. I hope you guys are having good weather. I noticed some places still got miserable weather, but it's been great here for a long time. So, and I hope you enjoy your Easter. You know, that Easter's coming up this weekend. I guess everybody knows that. So I think that's all I'm going to tell you for today. So we'll talk to you another time. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.